Alright, how's it going everybody? Hope everybody's staying safe and being socially distant and responsible. I'm back with some more cars for us to open up. As you can see, what I have on either side, we're going to open all of these. Matter of fact, I have the first and second set of the ZAMACs for us to open up as well, so we'll get to those. So let's get started. First up, we've got number 76. It's this 19 Ford Ranger Raptor in white. This was a new model last year. This time it's back. Ford Performance. Looks pretty good on it. Next, number 77 is the Speed Driver in red. Have some slots for you to put some additional tools in there that you can use for some extra weight. And another wrench on the back. What size that wrench is, I don't know. Interesting thing. It's also got, looks like a screw and a hex nut up at the front. Next we have the Street Stealth, number 78, for you motorbike fans. This one is in blue and black. The blue part is metal, black part is plastic. Some yellow trim on the wheels. Number 79 is the Diora 3. This is the third version of the Diora. Diora 1 was one of the original 16. Then Diora 2 was like in the 90s, I think. This one is Diora 3. Comes with a surfboard, a couple surfboards, and a bicycle. No windshield. Definitely an interesting casting. You either love it or you hate it. Number 80 is the Alpine A110 Cup. This was a new casting at the end of last year in blue. Here it is again in blue with the number 36 on it. Little French car, Renault Alpine. Looks pretty good. I like it. Front headlight detail. Looks good. Number 81 is the Honda Civic Type R from 2018. In black with red base. Headlights, taillights. Always looks good when they make them nice and stock. And this is a little sporty kind of box. Looks good. I like it. Here's another one that's pretty polarizing. This is new for 2020. This is the manga tuner. It's based on Japanese manga styling. Another one that you either like it or you don't like it. People are customizing the heck out of this guy. meh. Next one, number 83, is the Surf and Turf. This is a lot like a station wagon from the 50s in the tuned series for Hot Wheels. Yellow part's metal, all the rest of it's plastic. Surfboard in the window unit, part of the roof. Spare tire on the back. Big ol' engine sticking out of the front. Next up is number 85. This is the Rip Rod. Hot Wheels actually had one of these built. So there's one that actually exists of the Rip Rod. I believe it's in blue. This one's in red. They've done it many times. Plastic body, metal base. This one is going to be the D case treasure hunt. This is number 84. The Buns of Steel. You can see right there. Congratulations. You found a treasure hunt. And here's the treasure hunt logo. Little circle flame logo on there. This used to have a couple milkshakes on the back bumper, but because it has a metal base, probably cut out that extra metal. Big burger on it. Number 86 is the Beat All. Big off-roader made to kind of look like a Beetle. See-through body, so you can see some of those details underneath. Metal base, see-through wheels. Bet you this thing goes down the driveway real good. Next up is going to be number 87, Cloak and Dagger. This is probably the most interesting decoration that they've done on the Cloak and Dagger, is by having these teeth on the side. So I think that looks pretty good. Plus, it opens up. Maybe. I had to struggle with that off camera. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. Got these little tabs on the side. Next is number 88, the Aston Martin Vulcan. This one came out right at the end of last year as well. Looks pretty good. White with some of that red trim on there. Number 89 is the 16 Bugatti Chiron. This one's in black. When this was released last year, it was in blue. And then I've got the next one to open up, the next color, which is going to be in Zamac. This one is number 90. It is the 92 Ford Mustang. Part of the Art Car series. Fox body Mustang's been around for a while. And this orange looks pretty good with the stripes going all over it. I don't know about the blue-green wheels. I like that wheel design. I just don't know about the color on this one. Matches windows. Let's open some ZAMACs. This is ZAMAC number 1. It's officially a recolor of number 58. A 64 Chevy Impala. So this is a Walmart exclusive. Unpainted metal body with the decos from the regular version. As you can see on the turntable right here. Number 2 in the ZAMAC series is the recolor of number 11, the 85 Honda City Turbo. Still raw body, same decoration as the first version that came out this year. We'll give that one a spin. Next is going to be number 3, the Land Rover Series 3 pickup, which is a recolor of number 3. I like this truck a lot. Spare tire in the back. I think it looks pretty good. Baja Blazers. ZAMAC number 4, which just came out. New batches at Walmart. It's number 73, the 68 Chevy Nova. It has the ZAMAC and camouflage, and still has the Flying Tiger's shark mouth on the side. That looks pretty good. Number 5 is the 16 Bugatti Chiron, which is a recolor of number 89, which we just opened up. So here it is. Almost completely bare except for a little red trim and the front deco. And we're going to open up number 6 in the ZAMAC series. This one I've been looking forward to, the Porsche 917 LH, to the recolor of number 45. Love the chrome base on this to give you some chrome in the front corners. The blue window tint. Looks real good. Number 3. Number 11. Number 45. Number 58. Number 73. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 89 Zamac, 90. We filled up over 100 cars.